The 16th Group of 20, or the G20 Leaders Summit, is scheduled to take place both online and offline this Saturday and Sunday, right here in Rome, the capital city of Italy. Behind me, we can see this iconic building, the Rome Convention Center. Here, the leaders will discuss the most pressing global health and economic issues related to the COVID-19 pandemic. They're also expected to discuss core issues such as climate change, digital transformation, and sustainable innovation.
Created in 1999, the G20 is the main forum for international cooperation on financial and economic issues. It comprises 19 countries plus the European Union. The group accounts for almost two-thirds of the world's population, about 86% of the global GDP, and 75% of global trade. The summit is hosted by Italy, which has held the G20 presidency since December 1st, 2020. It is the first summit that sets offline schedule after the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic.